Imagine waking up to the soft glow of the morning sun, its warmth gently caressing your face as you open your eyes. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, a comforting invitation to start the day. This is a day dedicated to the delicate dance between productivity and self-care, a harmonious blend of accomplishment and rejuvenation. At the heart of this balancing act lies the power of routine. A well-structured day, bookended by morning and evening rituals, provides a framework for productivity and self-care. Simple practices like gentle stretching or a few moments of meditation can work wonders in centering the mind and preparing us for the day ahead. This essay invites you to embark on a journey into a day that embraces both productivity and self-care. It's about understanding that when we prioritize our well-being, we enhance our capacity for productivity. From mindful morning rituals to rejuvenating afternoon breaks, we'll discover how small, intentional acts can make a world of difference. As the first rays of dawn peek through the curtains, it's time to greet the day with a sense of purpose and gratitude. Instead of immediately reaching for your phone, take those first moments to simply be present. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the air fill your lungs and your body awaken. These small rituals can transform the way you experience your mornings, setting the stage for a more centered and intentional day. With the day just beginning, it's time to awaken the body and mind with some gentle movement. Even a few minutes of stretching can do wonders for your physical and mental state. Following your physical practice, transition into a few moments of meditation to reduce stress and improve focus. With your mind and body feeling refreshed, it's time to nourish yourself with a wholesome breakfast. Opt for a breakfast rich in nutrients, like a vibrant smoothie bowl or a warm bowl of oatmeal. This mindful approach to eating can enhance your enjoyment of food and set a positive tone for the day ahead. As the morning unfolds, transition from your morning routine to the realm of work and productivity. Create a workspace that inspires focus and creativity. A clean and organized workspace can do wonders for your mental clarity and focus. Introducing personal touches like a plant or a framed photograph can transform your workspace into a more inviting environment. With a workspace that supports focus, it's time to delve into productivity. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Minimize distractions during work intervals to allow your mind to fully engage with the task at hand. Identify your peak productivity times and schedule your most challenging tasks for those periods. Regular breaks are essential for maintaining focus and productivity over time. Taking breaks allows your mind to wander and come back to your work with fresh eyes and renewed energy. During breaks, step away from your workspace and engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. Staying hydrated and nourishing your body with healthy snacks can maintain your energy levels. As the morning gives way to the afternoon, embrace the restorative power of a lunch break. Physically step away from your workspace to create a clear separation between work and personal time. Focus on shifting your attention to the present moment, engaging your senses in the sights, sounds, and aromas of your surroundings. A mindful lunch break is about more than just grabbing a quick bite to eat. Prepare a lunch that is both delicious and nutritious, using fresh, whole ingredients whenever possible. This mindful approach to eating can enhance your enjoyment of food, improve digestion, and promote a healthier relationship with food. The beauty of a lunch break lies in the freedom it provides to pursue personal interests and passions. Use this time to tap into your creativity and express yourself freely without judgment or expectation. View it as a sacred space for self-care and personal growth, a time to nurture your passions and reconnect with your authentic self. Section 1. Back to the grind. Refocused and revitalized. The lunch break, a much-needed respite from the day's demands, draws to a close. A sense of renewed energy and focus replaces the earlier fatigue. It's time to dive back into the afternoon work session, armed with a refreshed mind and a renewed sense of purpose. The transition back to work doesn't have to be jarring. Instead, it can be approached with a gentle re-entry, easing back into the flow of tasks and responsibilities. Before diving headfirst into emails and deadlines, take a few moments to review your to-do list, prioritizing tasks and setting clear intentions for the afternoon. This mindful approach can help to reduce feelings of overwhelm and create a roadmap for a productive and focused work session. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, making them feel less daunting and more achievable. The post-lunch hours often call for a shift in focus. While the morning might have been dedicated to deep work or analytical tasks, the afternoon can be an ideal time for collaborative projects, brainstorming sessions, or catching up on emails and administrative tasks. Embrace this natural ebb and flow of energy and adjust your schedule accordingly. As you work, maintain a sense of awareness of your energy levels. If you feel your focus waning, take short breaks to stand up, stretch, or step outside for a breath of fresh air. A few moments of mindful movement can work wonders in revitalizing your mind and body, preventing the dreaded afternoon slump. Section 2. Collaboration and connection sparking creativity together. The afternoon presents a prime opportunity to connect with colleagues, clients, or collaborators, fostering a sense of shared purpose and sparking creativity. Whether it's a virtual brainstorming session, a client meeting, or a casual check-in with a teammate, these interactions can inject a much-needed dose of social energy into the workday. Embrace the power of collaboration, leveraging the diverse perspectives and experiences of others to generate innovative ideas and solutions. Approach these interactions with a spirit of openness and curiosity, actively listening to others and contributing your own unique insights. These moments of connection can extend beyond work-related topics, fostering a sense of camaraderie and support within the team. Sharing a laugh, discussing a common interest, or simply checking in on each other's well-being can strengthen relationships and create a more positive and supportive work environment. Remember, even in a virtual setting, genuine connection is possible. Make an effort to engage fully in conversations, maintaining eye contact, and actively listening to others. A little effort goes a long way in building strong and meaningful relationships, even in the digital realm. Section 3. Stepping outside the box, movement and fresh perspectives. As the afternoon progresses and the lure of the outdoors beckons, heed the call to move your body and shift your perspective. Step away from the confines of your workspace and embrace the rejuvenating power of a change of scenery. Even a short break for movement and fresh air can work wonders in clearing your mind, boosting creativity, and restoring your energy levels. Lace up your sneakers and head outside for a brisk walk, allowing your mind to wander and your thoughts to flow freely. Notice the sights, sounds, and sense of your surroundings, engaging your senses and grounding yourself in the present moment. The rhythmic motion of walking can be incredibly meditative, helping to quiet the mind and release tension. If you're feeling more energetic, consider a more vigorous workout, such as a run, bike ride, or online fitness class. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in the brain that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. A good workout can leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to tackle the rest of your workday with renewed vigor. Even if time is limited, even a short break for movement can be beneficial. Stand up and stretch, do some gentle yoga poses, or simply walk around your workspace for a few minutes. The key is to get your blood flowing and give your mind a break from the screen. Section 4. Nature's Embrace, a sensory journey of rejuvenation. For a truly restorative afternoon break, immerse yourself in the embrace of nature. Find a nearby park, a quiet trail, or even a patch of green space in your neighborhood, and allow yourself to reconnect with the natural world. Nature has a remarkable ability to soothe the soul, reduce stress, and inspire creativity. Find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling the fresh air and exhaling slowly. Notice the sensations of the earth beneath you, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves. Engage all your senses in the experience, noticing the colors, sounds, and scents of nature. Observe the trees swaying gently in the breeze, their branches reaching towards the sky. Listen to the birdsong, a chorus of melodies filling the air. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet, or the rough bark of a tree against your skin. These sensory experiences can be incredibly grounding, helping to shift your focus away from the stresses of work and reconnect you with the present moment. Even a few moments spent in nature can have a profound impact on your well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels, improve mood, boost creativity, and even enhance immune function. So make it a priority to incorporate nature into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. As the workday draws to a close and the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the horizon, it's time to shift gears from the demands of work to the embrace of evening. This transition, often overlooked in the rush of daily life, is crucial for setting the stage for a restful and rejuvenating evening. Just as a curtain call signals the end of a theatrical performance, marking a clear separation between the world of the play and the reality of the audience, so too should the end of the workday be marked by a conscious transition, a letting go of work-related thoughts and responsibilities. Begin by physically closing down your workspace. Shut down your computer, put away files and paperwork, and tidy up your desk, creating a sense of order and completion. This physical act of closing down your workspace can have a powerful psychological effect, signaling to your mind that it's time to shift gears and embrace a different mode of being. Next, take a few moments to consciously transition your mental state from work mode to relaxation mode. Resist the urge to check emails one last time or dwell on unfinished tasks. Instead, focus on shifting your attention to the present moment, engaging your senses in the sights, sounds, and aromas of your surroundings. Perhaps you light a scented candle, put on some relaxing music, or step outside for a breath of fresh air. With the workday behind you, it's time to indulge in rituals that soothe the mind and body, melting away the stresses of the day and promoting a sense of deep relaxation. These evening rituals, tailored to your individual preferences and needs, become sacred moments of self-care, a time to reconnect with yourself and nurture your well-being. A warm bath, infused with Epsom salts and essential oils, can work wonders in relaxing muscles, easing tension, and promoting a sense of tranquility. As you immerse yourself in the warm water, feel the stress and worries of the day melt away, replaced by a sense of deep peace and contentment. Enhance the experience with calming music, soft lighting, or a good book, allowing yourself to fully unwind and let go. If you prefer a more active form of relaxation, gentle stretching or yoga can be incredibly soothing. Flow through a series of poses designed to release tension in the back, neck, and shoulders, areas where stress often manifests. As you move your body, pay attention to your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, allowing your breath to guide you into a state of deeper relaxation. As the evening deepens and the world outside quiets down, embrace the tranquility of the night, a time for reflection, renewal, and connection. This is a time to disconnect from the constant stimulation of screens and technology, to turn inward and to nurture your inner world. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection, allowing you to process the events of the day, explore your thoughts and feelings, and gain clarity on your goals and aspirations. As you put pen to paper, allow your thoughts to flow freely without judgment or censorship. Write about your experiences, your observations, your dreams, and your fears. The act of journaling can be incredibly cathartic, helping you to release pent-up emotions, gain perspective, and cultivate a sense of gratitude. Reading, a cherished pastime for many, offers an escape from the everyday world, transporting you to distant lands, introducing you to fascinating characters, and expanding your knowledge and understanding. Choose a book that captivates your imagination, whether it's a gripping novel, an inspiring memoir, or a thought-provoking work of non-fiction. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in the story, escaping into the world the author has created. As the day gracefully transitions into night, a gentle calm descends, a sense of quiet accomplishment settling in. We've navigated the hours with intention, embracing both the demands of productivity and the nourishment of self-care. It's been a day of harmonious balance, a testament to the power of mindful living in a world that often pulls us in countless directions. Reflecting on the day's journey, we see that productivity isn't about relentlessly pushing ourselves to the limit, sacrificing our well-being for the sake of achievement. It's about working in sync with our natural rhythms, honoring our need for rest and rejuvenation, and approaching tasks with a sense of focus and intention. Self-care, on the other hand, is not a luxury reserved for rare moments of indulgence. It's an integral part of a fulfilling and sustainable life. It's about tuning into our physical, emotional, and mental needs, and making choices that support our overall well-being. The true magic unfolds when we weave together these two seemingly disparate threads, productivity and self-care, into the tapestry of our lives. It's about finding the sweet spot where we can pursue our goals with passion and purpose while also prioritizing our health, happiness, and inner peace. It's about recognizing that when we take care of ourselves, we show up more fully in all areas of our lives, in our work, our relationships, and in the pursuit of our dreams. As we conclude this exploration into a day dedicated to balancing productivity and self-care, it's essential to remember that this is not a one-size-fits-all formula. Each individual's journey will be unique, shaped by their own values, priorities, and life circumstances. The key is to approach this delicate dance with a spirit of experimentation and self-discovery, finding what works best for you and adapting your approach as needed. Embrace the beauty of imperfection. There will be days when the scales tip more towards work demands, and others when self-care takes center stage. There will be moments when you feel energized and productive, and others when you need to slow down and recharge. Listen to your body's wisdom, honor your intuition, and give yourself permission to adjust your course as needed. The journey towards a balanced and fulfilling life is an ongoing process, a continuous dance between striving and surrender, between pushing forward and honoring our need for rest. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories, knowing that each day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and create a life that aligns with your deepest values and aspirations.